Hey Kevin, how you doing? Victor here, and here I have your throttle body right here. This is from your C36. As you can see, the production date here. Let's see, what is it? 8th month of 1995. Alright, so basically your unit was pretty clean. I have no complaints about it. It was nice. It's just that the wires were falling apart. They were actually about to fall apart. The cracks were developing very fast, and once I touched them, they just would fall apart. So here we have your unit right here, and connected to my bench tester right here, which is actually a C-class unit. As you can see, No ASR throttle. This is a cruise control unit. Connects to my power supply here. Here's my power switch. So here it is. And just want to show you that this unit works. It's a little different from other units that I test, because other units are ASR units, most of them. Non-ASR unit is a little different. First thing you want to know is the switch, if it works right. So here we have it clicking. So you hear that click, that means that the plate inside the switch that activates it is good. Because I've seen units that have that plate dislodged and it would not click. But I'm sure this unit worked before, because I tested it before and it did work, but the wires were pretty bad and they were about to fall apart, so we had to change them. So here is your loom. This is the original piece, because the grommet here is insulated nice from the outside, so I just added some friction tape inside and heat shrink wrap, and then this flexible loom. Cut the plug, get the wires in there, and there we have it. This is already my connector right here. So we're going to activate it. I'm going to show you what happens with this unit. So here we have the power right here. I'm going to push on the power and see what happens. Alright, so here we have a nice hum. It's like a buzzing sound kind of, which is nice. Okay, so that's the sound of healthy throttle body. Now this is a non-ASR unit, so it's a little different from others, from ASR units. So I can move the throttle, and as you can hear, the hum is present still. The difference between ASR and non-ASR unit is ASR units, when you move the plate, it activates electronically. Non-ASR unit activates mechanically. So another big difference is, as you can see, this outline right there with the light going through it right there. Okay, so if, let's say, I want to close this, I can't. Let me just, here, I can't close it because the motor holds it. When it works fine, it holds it nice, and when I press it, I cannot close the throttle plate all the way. So now when I shut it down, when I shut the power down, as you can see, I can close it all the way, so there is no air supply to the intake. So the idle speed control works fine. Put the power back on. As you can see, as much as I want to, I still cannot close it all the way. It just stays open because the motor, step motor, holds it in place. Open. I can move a little bit, but not much. The motor just keeps bringing it up. So this thing is fine. I mean, I have no problems with it. It does not shut down when I move the throttle, so this is nice, good to go. Yep, I don't see any problems with it. I have a code tester here, but it'll give me some codes because I'm missing out the modules, so I cannot really, you know, just tell you like the codes and whatever, because this module connects to HFM module and ABS module, and obviously I don't have them. I just have the basic controls here over the throttle bodies. This is the non-ASR unit, this is an ASR unit. So as you can see, this is the E-gas module right here from the W140 chassis. It's my power supply, and other connectors, as you can see right here, for ASR units. They look, this one looks identical to the one I'm using right now, but computer it connects to is different. So this is one computer, second computer. This is the one that you would have in your car, and as you can see, idle is fine. Here's the wiring for it. Idle is fine. I mean, I had it connected overnight and everything is fine. It will open, of course, because it's mechanical operation, but it works nice. And yeah, so basically I'm ready to mail it out to you, and you know, just let me know how it turns out. I'm sure it'll be fine. I cleaned the case a little bit, and I cleaned the throttle plate pretty nicely. It's nice and shiny. It wasn't really that dirty, so it should be fine. Alright, well, you know, if anything, email me. Victor@restoreyourmercedes.com.